Good morning, just a short video here on some of the things that I use my Motorola Xoom for. So one of the first things we'll go through are the pages. So there's 5 pages here that we can populate with whatever we like. So the first thing I'll go over here are the widgets. What are widgets? Widgets is these applications here that are open all the time. So this clock's open all the time. The internet pages here, these are my favourite ones that I can quickly open. So if I click on that, bang, I've got the web page open. If we scroll across here, widgets, we've got my email and the calendar that I use. So these are open all the time. I can see the latest emails that drop in. I can click on that, that will bring me straight into the message. If I hit the back button, this shows you almost like the full Exchange, where you've got your inbox, your drafts, your outbox, your sent items, things like that. Also, we've got our calendar here as a widget, so this will show up a day view of what we've got on today. If I click on that, that'll open up all the details of the item that I clicked on, or I can go in here, I can create new appointments, click on a location and hit add. That will allow me to add a new appointment in there. So just go back from that one. We can scroll back through our calendar to see what's been going on or what's going to come up. We'll scroll across here to some other widgets. So we've got a Gmail one here. So if you've got Gmail, you can have several accounts open on that one. If we scroll across here, we've got a Telstra widget. So this one here will show you, with the data card that's in the device, how much data you've used, how much you've got, and how many days remaining on your cycle. Some of the other quick things you can do, make a note. So quickly click on that. You can make your note and you can leave a note there. So that automatically saves. Then if we go into our notes, it'll bring up all the notes that we've got there that we can view again or alter and change. One of the big programs that I use is called Evernote. So if I click on that, this here I take notes of all the customers that I go and see and what needs to happen or what I need to do for them. And I can attach all the pieces or all the paperwork that I need. So if we add a new one up here, title, we can type in our title. Got it in there as a test title. So from here we can leave a voice note. So now the voice note is activated and is recording everything we see. Stop the voice note by touching that. We can take a photo directly into this. That brings up the camera. We can take a photo and store that in there. We can save any files that we're after. So do you want to save pictures, audio, video, file? If you've got a file, we can come in here and we can attach any documents we want. We can save this then. That will save all the information, all the documents and things like that that you will need in there. That will also, you can have it running on several computers or several devices, and it will synchronize between all of those. So the way I use this, every time I go out and see somebody, put all my information into here, and within a few minutes this is synchronized back to Jenna's computer so that she can start working with the information that I've sent through to her. One of the big bonuses we've got here is being able to manipulate PDFs. So if I go into my file manager here, so I can grab a contract that I might want to sign up on. We choose the program that we want to open this PDF up in. Now from here, if I want to type in somebody's details, make it a bit bigger so that I can see, click on this little logo down here, draw a box, and there's our information in there, which we can also move around. Double tap brings it back to our normal size, so we can come all the way down to the bottom here, and we now want the customer to sign it. So we can increase that so it's a bit bigger, click on freehand, and we can sign this document. Also, if we need to highlight sections of the document, we can draw a box over what we want highlighted. That will highlight all that information. We can also underline information in there, what might be important, and then you can save that document, save as. We can save it into anything that we want, any folder location that we've used there. Go no. So the file system on here, basically like a computer. So here's all the files that we've created, or folders. Jump in there and you can create multiple folders and files under there and storing information in there that you would like. Now you can also manipulate Word, Excel and PowerPoint documents on here. So if we go back into here and we'll grab a Excel document, click on that, I'll choose the program that I want to open it up in, and now here's our Excel spreadsheet that we can make any changes to. We can add formulas in, make any changes, and we can save that. That will also be able to be opened via Word, Excel or PowerPoint on a